Morning everyone, my name is Prasanga Limbu and today I'll show you some practices of apiculture. First of all, let you know what is apiculture. Apiculture is just a management and studies of honeybee. Though I am a horticulturist, when I'm in college time, that time I study one semester apiculture practices, but that time I know only theory wise, but practically I know my home itself. My father is very well known, and at my home we have 20 hives. So in frame also, which is in traditional hive also, I'll show you turn by turn. And if you want to practice at home, first of all you have to know what is honeybee, right? How many members there are in one hive? There are three members. There are only three members. One is queen, one is drone, and one is workers bee, which is female. And queen walk is only queen will from the guidance with the guidance of queen only all the honeybee will walk, and queen will lay the eggs. And second one is drone. Drone is only purpose for meeting purpose. Drone is only for meeting purpose. After meeting drone, that workers bee will kill that drone. Okay. And that one is workers bee. Workers bee act many workers bee have more work, just like sometime it will become nurse. Same the workers bee will become nurse. Sometime they will go and they will collect the honey, they will collect the water, and they have more works. If you want to really know, if you want to really practice your home, you can visit my home and you can go other institution also, you can learn, and you can go Google also. But if you want to do really do, you have to do hand practically, so then only you know. And in our side, in Darjeeling and Sikkim side, we get Apis sirena. There is lot of kind of honeybees are there. There is Apis mellifera, Apis dorsata, Apis sirena. Some of the name I forgot it, but where we get in this area we get Apis sirena, which is locally present in Darjeeling and Sikkim and northeast region. So you how to harvest honeybee, how to harvest or how to extract the honeybee. So for that, what kind of tools you needed? So first of all, this is vine. This is to protect your face. So this is very important when you are doing handling the honeybee. That time you have to protect. You have to put this, otherwise honeybee will sting. So I have two vine. That's why I can give my cameraman also. He can use this also. So I have gloves. I have two gloves. I have gloves also, two gloves. This is rubber gloves and this is cloth gloves. The rubber gloves is very good for handling. And this is knife. Knife should be very sharp. And one is very important, when you are using knife, this same knife you cannot use in kitchen also. When you are using in kitchen, what will be the great problem means you are cutting onion, you are cutting garlic, so that type of smell honeybee did not like. So please don't use same knife in kitchen also. Okay. And this is cotton. You can use old cotton also. This cotton, what is the what is the purpose of this cotton means you have to give smoke. That time you can give old cotton. You can use old cotton also. Even I am also using old cotton. So and there is one honey extraction machine, which is I keep inside. Afterwards I'll show you. Now let's come. First of all, this is chamber, and this one is super. We have to harvest only upper side. We don't have to harvest down side because honey needs honey. Because of that, we don't have to harvest all the things. So I'll show you turn by turn. Actually, this is seal, which all cover. When we are first, we have to remove all these things. Then only we have to extract the honey.
Vô.
Actually, in this season honey is very good for medicinal purpose, because in these seasons some of the trees like chimawalichi, which local name is chilaune, and that is this season's honey is very good for cough and cough purpose. You can use it. Now we have to remove all the seal. Then only we have to we have to put in this extraction machine, and we have to rotate slowly. So first we are removing this. When you are using this knife should be very sharp. This is extraction machine, honey extraction machine. Now we have to put here in one side slowly. And the same time we have to put another side also. Then we have to rotate slowly and anti-clockwise. Now let's see, there is nothing now. What is the advantage of this extraction is, without damaging this honeybee hive, we can extract the honey. And some of the people, what they are doing, they are removing all the things and they are crushing by hand, but we are doing by machine. Because of that we are harvesting in one season 2 to 3 times. the extraction का honey. Same this niche we can put here.
छेउमा
यहाँ त हुँदैन अन्त यो राम्रो छ हौ चाका. Now we have to fill up in this bottle, and this is honeybee bottle, and this is also honeybee bottle, not that honeybee bottle, but why we are putting it here means it looks very good, because of that we are putting here. This is pure honey. We are not adding such kind of things. Some of the people they are adding sugar, jaggery and all, but we are not adding anything. We are giving pure honey.